Hey, this is Hudson Hardin, and I'm about to open up my second hobby box of 2011 Topps Heritage. So I think I mentioned last video I'm going to try to complete this set, so I also have a bunch of retail packs to open as well. I'll get all those sorted, and hopefully I'll have a trade list and want list up on my website, and hopefully I'll be able to do some trades and complete the set. So I have, let's see, the last one I got one of these buybacks, as well as I had one of the Topps cash, I think it was Topps Bucks cards. This I have a buyback, and I have a 3-in-1 stamp, team stamp thing. So I'll open up this one here, and it's the Pirates, Pittsburgh Pirates. So we have Jose Tapata, Andrew McCutchen, and Neil Walker. Top stamps. And then my buyback, last one I got a Tigers team card buyback. This is Minnie Minoso, or Minoso as they say, Minnie Minoso Cardinals card. I didn't know he played for the Cardinals. His cap's all black here. Looks like it's probably blacked out from something else. You know, kind of rounded corners, but yeah, this is one of those Topps buybacks for Minnie Minoso. Okay. And so now I will set that over there. You can see it now. I'll get started and just open up all these packs. One hit per box. One autograph or jersey card. The last box I got an Ike Davis jersey. That was it. I didn't get any of the stamps or the coins cards that they're doing. So see if I get anything in this. Hunter Pence, Kurt Suzuki, Gordon Beckham, John Jay, Carlos Santana, Whitey Ford, Baseball Flashbacks, Chris Coughlin, Jeremy Hellickson, and Ryan Dempster. Let me see where. Just stack these up back here. Josh Beckett, Angels team card, Ian Stewart, Rangers, Russ Mitchell, Twins, Randy Wolf, Buck Showalter, and Chris Young. Again, the bad part about this set, unlike past years, we got one SP here, the Russell Martin, and I don't know if that white rookie, it says 2011 rookie there in white. Show this card. I don't know if that shows that it's an SP, because I remember other ones being yellow. I don't know if I have another one here handy. Oh yeah, here we go. Jeremy Hellickson. So I'll show both these off. So one of them is white, and the other is yellow, 2011 rookie. The Hellickson is not a short print, and this Russ Mitchell, so I don't know if that's an indicator that it's a short print or not, but that one is, it's a high number, it's 461, so that is an SP. And the other ones here, I didn't get that. Now in previous years, the short prints had different colored backs. They had darker backs on 2009 Topps, lighter backs on 2010, and for 2011, they just have the same, so there's no way to tell other than the number, so there's no way to kind of splay out the back like this and see whether or not you got an SP. You just have to do it once you sort it. Mattingly, Teixeira, Victorino, Jose Valverde, Volquez, Jackie Robinson, special, I believe it's a parallel to the Babe Ruth, Inge, Grady Sizemore, and Joey Votto. Babe Ruth special, Aaron Sibia, Hot Corners, A-Rod and Teixeira, Skip Schumacher, Josh Toll, Topps Heritage Chrome of 1962, Adam LaRoche, Ozzie Martinez, ERA leaders, and Gregory Infante. Cole Hamels, Mauer, Gio Gonzalez, Denard Span, Alexi Ramirez, Bautista, Ozzie Guillen, Mariano Rivera, and John Jaso. Jake McGee, Daniel Descalso, it's a former Batavia Muck Dog there, Daniel Descalso. Glad to see he's getting some cards in 2011. Hopefully he'll have a nice little major league career. Eric Sogard, Chase Utley, Jackie Robinson, Babe Ruth. This is a Jackie Robinson news flashback, so an insert, not one of the ones from the set. Babe Ruth, farewell speech. Matt Holliday, Ronnie Cedeno, and Clayton Kershaw. Bobby Kramer, Jacoby Ellsbury, the winner celebrate, World Series, Johnny Cueto, Aroldis Chapman rookie, Hank Conger rookie, Carlos Pena, Jose Seda, and Brian Wilson. That was a pretty popular card people have been talking about with the nice little hairdo there. Ricky Weeks, Jason Hayward, Coco Crisp, Brett Sinkbale, Jose Bautista, Manny Ramirez, Joey Votto, Zach Duke, and Victor Martinez. Xavier Nady, Neftali Feliz, Corey Lebke, Miguel Cabrera, New Age Performers A-Rod, Mark Teixeira, Kelly Johnson, Giants team, and Arthur Rhodes. Michael Kadire, Cliff Lee on the Phillies, back on the Phillies, Ruben Tejada, Julio Bourbon, Jorge Posada, Mike Aviles, refractor numbered out of 562, chrome refractor, Babe Ruth, A's team card, John Garland, and a checklist. Edwin Jackson, Nelson Cruz, Chipper Jones, Lance Berkman, Todd Helton, Killa, Kawi, I don't know how to say that, Killa, Rick Porcello, Luke Scott, and Wade Davis. Jason Bay, NL strikeout leaders, Billingsley, Aramis Ramirez, Miguel Tejada, Paul Mahalam, Jason Varitek, Giovanni Soto, Ricky Nolasco, and a checklist. Johnny Peralta, Phil Hughes, Dusty Baker, Garrett Jones, Carlos Beltran, Jeremy Bonderman, Strasburg, Adam Kennedy, and Adam Wainwright. Adrian Beltre, Will Venable, Alfonso Soriano, Roy Halladay Sporting News, Orioles, this is Teixeira, Darren Ford, John Danks, and Reed Brignac. Delman Young, David Price, Charlie Manuel, Felix Hernandez, Mickey Mantle Baseball Flashbacks, Chase Headley, Garrigan Ruth, Liriano, and another Babe Ruth special there. Josh Johnson, Giants World Series. Rollins and Utley, Gibson and Halladay then and now, Pujols Sporting News, Rios, Matt Holliday, Brandon Snyder, and Mark Trumbo. And last stack, still looking for that hit in this box. Vance Worley, Babe Ruth, Brandon Phillips, Ryan Braun Sporting News, Hamilton New Age Performers, Matt Kemp, Howie Kendrick, Cody Ross, and Josh Hamilton. Travis Snyder, Bronson Arroyo, Darwin Barney, Carl Pavano, Justin Upton, Matt Mangini. Now that one, the 2011 rookie, that's in the white, but this is not a short print, it's number 321. Here we have another one, rookie Vance Worley. It's also not a short print there. Now this says the yellow, it says the white, so maybe white doesn't mean short print. I'm sure there might be some short prints that have the yellow star rookie instead of the white, so I don't know if there's any rhyme or reason to it at all. Continuing, Vernon Wells, Brett Myers, and Cliff Pennington. Zambrano, NL batting leaders, Jason Bartlett, Dodgers. This is the AL home run leaders, Bautista, Konerko, Cabrera, and Teixeira, numbered out of 1962. Rajai Davis, Dexter Fowler, Derek Lee, and Brett Cecil. Five packs left. Still looking for my hit in this out of this box. Alexi Ramirez, Chris Johnson, Jason Kubel, C.J. Wilson, Placido Polanco, Ian Kennedy, Jonathan Broxton, Freddie Freeman, World Series winners Wilson and Posey, and a checklist. Swisher, Morneau and Mauer, Scherzer, Carlos Gonzalez, Sporting News, Pujols, Mona Lisa News Flashbacks, J.J. Hardy, Zimmerman, and Kendry Morales. Omar Infante, Nick Hundley, Jordan Zimmerman, Brady's team card, AL batting leaders, Andre Ethier, Jonathan Neese, Padres, and Derek Lowe. 2 packs left. Still need that hit. Kevin Millwood, Wandy Rodriguez, Derek Barton, Tigers, Matt Cain, Elvis Andrus, David Ortiz, NL home run leaders, and Bruce Bochy. Okay, this better be my hit, or else I'm going to complain to Topps. It looks like I do have a thicker card in here, so there is a hit. It looks like a jersey. Again, no autographs. Marlon Byrd, Hamilton and Nelson Cruz, Andrew Bailey, Evan Meek, Josh Willingham bat card, so 1 bat and 1 jersey. It's a Josh Willingham bat. Willingham now on the Athletics, of course. Jordan Walden and Carl Crawford, Brandon Beachy. Alright, and that does it for that box. So my 1 hit here. Got some nice rookies, a Chapman, Freddie Freeman, and a few others, and of course this is my box topper. So you can show the Pirates stamp card. These aren't actual stamps, they're just printed on. Pittsburgh Pirates, Jose Tabata, Andrew McCutchen, and Neil Walker. Alright, that's that. I'm going to film my other, some other packs, some retail packs I got, and I'll get those videos up too. And then hopefully, like I said, I'll have a list of everything I need, all the dupes I'm willing to trade, and hopefully I can complete this set. So thanks for watching. See you next time.